Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's edition of my tutorials, I will be teaching how to set up or to enable two-factor authentication on Twitter. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to like, share this video if this video is helpful. The first thing is for you to click on your Twitter mobile app. The second step is for you to click on your icon, your profile icon. You proceed, you scroll down and you click on settings and support. You also scroll down and click on settings and privacy. The next step is for you to click on security and account access. You now click on security. The first option is two-factor authentication, so you click on it. There are different categories of enabling your two-factor authentication, so I'll be going with the text message. So I'll be using the text message. So once I click on it, I'll click on next. Okay, now the recommended one is the security key, so I will go with the security key. Then I will proceed and click on next. So I'll now, after reading the whole process, I'll click on get started. Then you see a provision for you to add the security keys to your Twitter account. You click on add keys. You now click on get started. You see two categories, choose how to use your security keys. Use security keys with Bluetooth. So I'll be going with the first one. Then I'll click on turn on. So there's a provision for you to asking if you are ready to pay your security key. You click on begin. So this is how to enable two-factor authentication on your Twitter app. Thank you.